Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red lines are coming from. But crazy day. I guess I'm trying to, what word, but yeah, crazy. And one of those days where I guess if you get motion sickness, you were probably throwing up all over the place. Because to think, again, each of these is 30 minutes. First 30 minutes, the price was all over the place. And then a very, very nice bounce happened. And then the remainder of the day, essentially, the price pulled back to, right where it all started. So a very kind of anticlimactic day. Big price swings, but when all the dust had settled, it was within the same range. I mean, it didn't close at the exact same level, but well within the same area, after up and down, price action all over the place. So, we'll see what happens with it. I mean, from the big picture perspective, everything's still perfectly fine. Now, perspective is the key word there. I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within, 15 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But again, from the big picture perspective, bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And when you care about, the overall perspective of things, you want to see those long-term uptrends. And, that's how long-term uptrends are built, just by the price, put it in higher lows after higher lows. So from that, point of view, everything is still in play. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have been watching my past videos. But if you have, and hopefully remember me talking about that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, and how that's been, the ideal level of support, meaning, that's really the level that would make this chart look the strongest. You can see it provided support there multiple times. And then again today, right there, surprise, surprise, went down there and bounced right off of, not only the pink line, which is the 200 period, but also that purple line where they were intersecting there, which is the 50 period. And right now the 50 period is acting as support. Again, 50 period simple moving average. And ideally speaking, yeah, you want to see the price stay up above that purple line. If it doesn't, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because you still do have that overall level of support down there at the 200 period. But best case scenario, what would make the chart look the strongest? Definitely the price staying up above that purple line there, which so far so good. It's bouncing around it at this point in time, so we'll see if the price can maintain above it tomorrow. As far as resistance levels, nothing new here, still $2.22 and then $2.30. But wild day and kind of anticlimactic day, given where it closed, but it'll be very interesting to see how this closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.